Hello guys, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. I literally post the videos every single day. Now guys, I am very excited right now. We are driving down to pick up a classical car, the 1965 Volvo. This is going to be a color reveal video if it goes well. If not, then this is going to be a messed up video. And well, the guy's going to have to redo the paint job. But we'll see. I'm excited now. I'm going to drive so that we could have someone to give us a ride along the way there and back. And I'm going to pick it up. Yeah, so everything should work out well, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Well guys, currently driving at home to its location where I'm going to be putting it back together. It's such a beautiful color. Guy did a good job painting it. Just got to go put it back together. That's what I'm driving now. I got to do a whole bunch of stuff to it. But this is a blast, guys. I'm going to show you a good, better view of the paint color. I'm telling you, it's such a beautiful color, guys. Like, I'm just, you know, happy. The guy gave us a discount because we bought our own paint for it. So yeah, it's time to work on getting the vlogs, you know, in and putting the work in here to get it all correct the way exactly we want it. So very nice, actually. Very nice job that you did. So guys, you need to see this color in person. It's just shining through. As you can see, it has a bluish tint to it. This turquoise pearl that I've added to it. As you can see, the green. That's what the car looks like currently. And the only thing bad is there's a little bit of a bad paint job over here, but that's okay. The rest of it, he did a really good job. And it's now fully painted and ready to go to get assembled. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie V. 2004 Turn right. This particular package, driving a temp in the 6 Series.